Your SkyHyker material lift is shipped complete in one sealed crate. Begin by removing the lid of the crate. Thoroughly inspect the contents of your crate and verify that your crate contains base assembly, mast assembly, and hardware package. Open the hardware package and inspect each item carefully. Ensure that all necessary components, like guy wires, pins, and chains, are present and undamaged. Review the owner's manual thoroughly. Make sure you understand all instructions before proceeding with assembly. Remove all support braces from the top of your crate. Using a forklift, follow safe lifting practices and attach a lifting strap to the SkyHyker base. Remove the base slowly from the box. Position the base assembly on a flat, level, and hard surface. Release the red mast/legs locking plate and pivot the legs out to their widest setting. Ensure all 4 wheel casters are locked to stabilize the base. Attach a lifting strap through the rigging bracket on the winch side of the mast assembly. Carefully lift the mast assembly using the forklift or hoist. One worker should guide the mast assembly to ensure it moves smoothly without swaying. Move the mast assembly over the base assembly on the floor. Ensure proper alignment of the pivoting square tube with the base. Lower the mast assembly, guiding the square tube into the mounting hole in the base. Secure the connection using the supplied flanged hex head bolt and flange hex nut. Remove the lifting strap from the rigging bracket on the mast assembly. Attach the winch handles to each winch drive spindle, completing the setup. The Jet SkyHyker. Efficiency, mobility, safety,